Hello Natural viewers, this is Nash and I gonna ask you one question. Do you got iPhone? If you do, does the iPhone got 3.5mm headphone jack? If you don't have, no mantai lah, no problem. Apple got solution for you. Only thing you need to do is watch this video full. Okay, let's go. Okay, what you are looking is the packaging of the box. Lightning to headphone jack. Okay, this is side by side of the box. Okay, now we're gonna open the box. Alright. Okay, we got that thing. Alright, lightning to 3.5mm audio jack thing. And couple of owner manuals, certification, warranty card. Okay, you got 1 year warranty if you purchase this in Apple Store. So this is certification. Alright, nothing else. So here's the thing. So we're gonna take it out and put inside the iPhone. Alright, this is how we put the cable into the iPhone lah. Okay, 3.5mm. Okay, now we're gonna insert 3.5mm one. Whatever 3.5mm can support one audio thing, you can insert and use. Okay, now I'm using the Sony PS4, the headphone. Okay, I started to play. Can you listen to the music? So you already watched it, so thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our Natural YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, do anything you want. Just do it!